Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download Microsoft Edge on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download Edge for Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this Microsoft logo, click on it. Now here on the center of the screen, you can see download for macOS button, click on it. Now click on accept and download. After that, your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this, click on it. Now click on continue and click on install. Now it is going to ask for your password, so type in your laptop password. After that, your installation process has been started. After the installation is completed, you can simply close this screen and go to Launchpad, and here you can see that Edge has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.